Child tax credits are a mean tested benefit. And obviously depends on the income that you receive. Child benefit is what used to be known as a universal payment, so anybody could claim child benefit and therefore wasn't means tested. It's a flat rate benefit for your first child and then a reduced amount for your second and any subsequent children. Whilst I say child benefit is universal, this used to be the case until recently. So if an individual earns over £50,000, they actually have to pay tax on their child benefit. So what we actually find is that for those who are earning over £50,000, they decide not to claim child benefit in the first place.